We built this clean 1969 Camaro for a customer a while ago. The customer wanted a classic appearing 69 Camaro that improved on a few of the weaknesses of the original, but that also didn't deviate from the original style. For example, the car has a mostly stock exterior appearance, and it's wearing a great modern Chevrolet color called Carbon Flash Metallic. The car came from Arizona, so it wasn't very rusty, but we did perform some metal repairs in the quarter panels and a few small rust repairs here and there, but most of the sheet metal is still original GM. The metal and bodywork were done to straighten the car and to make the panel gap fit nicely. It was not a complete rotisserie frame-off restoration, but a pretty comprehensive strip, fix, and repaint. Evercoat fillers and Standox paint materials were used to make it aero straight and super slick. Stock-style SS stripes complete the look. The car is powered by a 350 cubic inch small block Chevy wearing a set of AFR cylinder heads and a Wyand intake manifold. We gave the engine a freshen up with some new bearings, ARP hardware, and gaskets, and did a full comp cam, roller cam conversion on the car. It was topped off with a Holley Sniper EFI system for better drivability and reliability, and we dig the Holley finned valve covers and air cleaner, which provide a little retro style similar to the Z28 valve covers you could get back in the day. You can watch a 6-part video series on the engine build on our website at V8TVshow.com. The 350 is hooked to a 4-speed manual transmission and currently spins a set of 411 rear gears, so this car is great fun going from stoplight to stoplight. At a glance, it appears to have an original interior, but just about everything is new, with most of the reproduction restoration parts like the weather strip, door panels, and trim coming from Classic Industries. You'll notice the upgraded Distinctive Industries seat covers on the Scat Pro Car seats. These have a pattern similar to what you could get new back in '69, but they've also got side bolsters and reclining seat backs, which are much more comfortable and supportive than the originals. We installed a tilting I Did It steering column and OER rosewood steering wheel, which you look through to see the Dakota Digital VHX gauges that deliver accuracy and a tuned-up appearance. And speaking of tunes, we also added a complete custom auto sound system in the car, and a vintage air AC system keeps everyone cool going down the road. It rolls on US Mag Rambler wheels wrapped in Toyo Proxys T1 Sport tires, with SSBC disc brakes peeking out between the spokes. And the front and rear suspension have all been rebuilt with new bushings, ball joints, and that kind of stuff. The front spoiler, rear spoiler, cowl induction hood, and second-gen Camaro side mirrors are all timeless updates to give the car a sportier look. As it sits, the car has a couple of seasons of cruising on it, so it's holding up very well, and we are happy to build this one for our customer, who's become a great friend of our shop. You can see the build photos and forum thread on our website at V8TVshow.com. And if you'd like something like this in your garage, contact us and we can discuss building your dream car any way you'd like it. And be sure to like and subscribe for more feature car videos and build stories from V8TV.